Can you make a giraffe noise?
Giraffes usually communicate with humming or bellowing sounds, but I don't think I could do that convincingly. I could try a few different high-pitched noises though.
Yeah, I want to hear a giraffe noise. Try.
Roar. Roar, roar. Roar, roar. R-A-W, roary, roar. Roarer. Roar. R-W-W-W-W-W-W-W-R. Roar. Do you hear the bellowing sound?
Wow, that was so good. I thought I had a giraffe right next to me.
I can also do a lion noise. Let me try it.
Can you do one? Yeah, try.
Rayo. Roar. Roar. Rayo. Rayo. Roar. Do you think I'm a good lion?
That's a really good lion sound. Can you make any other animal sounds?
I can do a dog noise. Arf. Arf arf. Arf arf. Rayo. Rayo. I'm a good dog. Rayo row. Arf arf arf. A dog. R-A-O-W roar arf. Are you sure giraffes don't sound like dogs? Sounded similar to me,
I don't think
whatever.
giraffes sound like dogs. No, I don't think so. I think they sound more like frogs. Giraffes.
Now that you mention it. You're so right. Giraffes definitely sound more like frogs, ribbit ribbit. Realistically, this is probably closer to a giraffe noise, don't you think? Ribbit.
Yeah, that's really good.
That's gotta be
That's
one of my better
super good.
impressions. Honestly, I reckon I'm a giraffe impression pro.